G'day everyone, John here. Welcome to 2026. This is my first video for the new year. And most of you that follow my channel would probably know I have taken quite a bit of time off from recording and uploading YouTube videos. And there's been a very good reason for that. And you'll see that soon in a short coming to this channel very soon. But yeah, in the meantime, I just wanted to say g'day. Welcome to 2026. Hope you all had a safe and happy Christmas and holiday break. Time to get back to work, get some paychecks so I can buy more slot cars. But apart from that, yeah, I did get a couple of gifts for Christmas, and also just wanted to do a bit of a recap of, I guess, from my last video to now, some of the slot cars that I did get hold of. And some of you who joined the Aussie Slot Car Show live and with their auctioning would have seen a few of us pick up some cars, so I just wanted to do a quick show and tell of what I picked up there. And so let's go inside. It's stinking hot here in Melbourne today, 42 degrees in the shade, still 42 degrees at the moment, and it's after 6 p.m. But yeah, let's go inside, cool off, let me continue drinking my beer, and let's talk about some slot cars. As I mentioned, the Aussie Slot Car Show ran several auctions for some awesome slot cars, and I was lucky enough to pick up the Mazda RX7 Daytona, a twin pack. And look at these bad boys. But before we get into that, 59 of 250. So it is a collectible. I'm going to really cherish this. I will pull these cars out, tune them up and run them. But I really love the presentation, and make sure that it's presented on the shelf with the box when the cars aren't in use. But let's take a bit of a closer look at these cars. As you can see here, the 7 and 77. 7 in the green livery. The detail on these cars, it's just incredible. Look at that. Beautiful pair. It's quite striking livery. It looks a lot better in person. It looks a bit sort of an orangey. Well, there is an orange stripe on this car, but in person, yeah, the green particularly I'm quite partial to, but really nice, really nice. Let's have a look at as Pat would say, fantastic arse end. Look at that. But yeah, these were purchased as part of the auction on the Aussie Slot Car Show live for, as we know, an awesome cause. Katie Backers is running a rally with a car covered in stickers from the slot car community for a great cause, and I was more than happy to shell out and not only buy cars that I didn't have, but knowing that the proceeds would go to that awesome cause. But that's the start of the show and tell. The second item, had this sitting around on the inside Carrera track for some time. Received this from Armchair Racer. Really looking forward to this. There's actually a couple of Carrera cars that I've ordered. I've given it a bit of away, but with this particular one, I've been waiting on and looking forward to. Some of you will have already guessed what this one probably is. Aha! Well, look at that. It's another Carrera modern NASCAR. As you can see there, it's a Camaro Next Gen ZL1, and it's in the Winchester Boss Pro Shops Club livery. Look at that. It's even got a fish on the front there. Can't ask for more than that. And the camo livery looks fantastic in expected Carrera level of detail. So really looking forward to putting this alongside the set of 4 that I did, because I did purchase the original group of digital NASCARs that were available, and I think there's one more to get, but yeah, I haven't been able to get hold of that yet. But yeah, love these cars. Great to run as with a set of track cars. So last time we ran these, I provided all the cars. They're all tuned exactly the same. MJK tyres on the back. Pulled the magnets out. Very basic tuning, and we had a blast. So yeah, that's a cracker. I love that one. I think Mal from 3 Rooms has this one. He might have showcased that on his channel. So check that out if you haven't seen that one. Next, this was a Christmas gift And I love my Back to the Future, and actually I know Pat did as well, with his out of time number plate in his garage above his slot car shelves. And so my lovely partner bought this for me for my Christmas present, and it's the flying DeLorean from the Back to the Future Part 2 movie. You can see here it's definitely not going to be a racer. As you can see, the wheels are horizontal orientation, and it basically runs on the guide at the front because the wheels are off the deck, and there's two inner wheels that are quite narrow that would cause this thing to tip over quite easily. But yeah, definitely a shelf coin, this one. I won't be running that one, but yeah, fantastic looking car. The detail from Scalextric. I love how they do the movie cars. I mean Scalextric does a lot of vehicles, but I think the last set I bought was the Professionals twin pack of the Ford Capris. Absolutely love those cars, love that show. And Scalextric don't disappoint with their detail and, I guess, willingness to produce these movie cars and themed vehicles, which is fantastic. Last but not least, not a slot car, but I couldn't not include, yes, another Lego F1 car. I do have a couple already that my daughter has bought me, and she bought me this for Christmas. So I'm looking forward to building this with her. But yeah, they come up pretty good, these. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye for now.